Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to this tutorial and right from today we will be starting the series of the Flutter. So this is just an introductory part of the Flutter. So we will look at some of the key points of the Flutter and all. So now the basic definition is like what is Flutter? Okay, so when it comes to the Flutter, it's an open source UI software development toolkit created by the Google. So this is one of the plus point of the Flutter. The support will be provided by the Google itself, and it is used for building the natively compiled applications for mobile, web, desktop from the single code base. So when it comes to the definition over here, so you don't have to write the separate code for mobile and web or the desktop application. From the same code base, you can start your development process. Like there is no need to write the separate code for each and every platform. You can take help from the one code base only. So now the next point is why there is a need for you to choose Flutter. So there are these again three points over here. So when it comes to the Flutter, so Flutter has the one biggest advantage is fast development. So hot reload, you can see when you will hit on that hot reload button, you will see the changes instantaneously. It will not take much time. Okay, so expressive and the flexible UI. So rich set of predefined widgets. So when it comes to the comparing, if suppose I'm taking the example of comparing the Flutter development and the React Native development. In the React Native, you have to write each and every single set of code for like whatever that is, like a list view or whatever. Like if you want to show the circular avatar or whatever that is, you have to write the CSS manually. But when it comes to the Flutter, Flutter provides the predefined help or the widgets which will help you in that. So you just have to use the thing like very simple styling over here and there, but most of the time the most of the things are like already predefined. And third point is native performance. So compares to the ARM or the Intel machine code as well as the JavaScript for the fast performance on any device. So this is one of the greatest advantage of the Flutter. So these are some of the key points why you should choose Flutter over here. So next is architecture of the Flutter. So first point is single code base. So you just have to write code once for the multiple platforms, and those multiple platforms which are supported over here are the iOS, Android, web, Windows, Mac OS, Linux. So these are some of the platforms which are considered over here when it comes to the architecture of the Flutter. So next is Flutter widgets. So everything in the Flutter is a widget only. Okay, so everything like rows, columns, containers. So these are some of the examples of the widgets over here. Like circular avatar, or if suppose you want to give the padding and all, like everything is included over there. So when it comes to these widgets, there are the stateless widgets and the stateful widgets, which we will see in the course. What are the stateless widgets and what are the stateful widgets? Okay, so when it comes to the stateless widgets, these are the immutable widgets, and the stateful widgets are the mutable widgets. And next, when it comes to the Flutter, Flutter is supported by the Dart programming language, or you can say we use the Dart programming language when it comes to the Flutter. So let's see what the overview about the Dart programming language. So it is used for optimizing of your UI. It's a object-oriented programming language, and it is developed by the Google itself. And some of the features of the Dart programming language is AOT and JIT, which is like ahead of time and the just-in-type compilation. And it has the strong typing and asynchronous programming using future and the stream. Okay, so these are some of the features of the Dart, and we will see like all these things in the code. So just stay tuned and keep learning. So this is just the introductory part, and I will be also starting the Flutter series in which I will first learn the Flutter and then I will create a courses about it. So far whatever I've learned in the Flutter seems to be easy, and I will create applications after that. Okay, so first I'll start to taking some basic tutorials, and then I will go ahead with the advanced stuff. But since if you are like suppose new to my channel, please consider subscribing and do go and check out the other courses also. Like I have made lot many series on the month stack and then the React Native app development. You can go and check out that as well. And if you want to learn no code web development, then you can check out the WordPress courses also. Okay, so thanks for watching. This was all about the introductory part of the Flutter.